Commonwealth Park of Canberra's inner north is a perfect location to view one of the largest bat species in the world. Endemic to woodlands in southeastern Australia, grey-headed flying foxes have a wingspan of up to 1 metre. Thousands of individuals can be seen aggregating in large, seasonally dynamic camps to roost, such as this one. Contrary to common belief, this nocturnal species is not strictly inactive during the day. Preceding the mating season, males' testes enlarge and they aggressively guard territories. Males mark their territories by rubbing their scapular glands on the surface of trees, distributing their scent. Larger males attract more females and tend to hold territories deeper within the camps. Throughout the months of March and April, fruit bats can be seen copulating repeatedly throughout the day. This male displays pre-copulatory behaviour as he grooms the female and licks her genital area. He is initially refused, however, his persistence eventually pays off. A remarkable challenge. Mating occurs suspended from a tree. Male fruit bats possess a spined penis called a baculum, which can be moved independently of their pelvis to aid conception. Positioning the female in front, the male supports her, gripping the female with his teeth and arms as they mate in what appears to be a very chaotic process. It's a wonder how their neighbours don't complain. After breeding season, the females and males separate within the camps. Males' testes reduce and their aggression towards each other lessens. Females will give birth once a year, typically to one young. They provide much of the parental care, physically carrying their young for 4 weeks. When they are too large to support, the mother will leave her offspring behind as she forages for herself and her young. When she returns, she will identify her young initially by vocals, but largely relies on scent to recognise her own. At about 3 months, juveniles are capable of sustained flight and ready to join their camp in the search for food. As night approaches, the flying foxes depart the camps in columns. Unlike many bat species, they lack echolocating organs, and instead rely on vision and scent to source their food. Due to their diet of flowers and fruit, grey-headed flying foxes are valuable pollinators, distributing up to an extraordinary 60,000 seeds per individual in a single night. Devastatingly, this native Australian species is critically endangered. Habitat fragmentation and roost disruption, as well as availability of resources, is driving urbanisation of fruit bat colonies. Careful management and protection of grey-headed flying foxes and their habitat is vital in order to rehabilitate and preserve the population.